Okay, students, today we'll learn how to draw cell. Okay, as in the previous class, I told you about the tools and their features also. Got it? These are the tools: pencil tool, eraser tool, text tool, fill with color tool. These tools help us in drawing. And these are the shapes tool. We select the shapes for drawing. With the help of shapes we can drawing different drawing, and with the help of this color palette we can color out drawings. Okay, so let's start. First select this shape. Okay, like this we'll draw. Now we will do some designing. This looks beautiful. You can do designing with your own choice. Like this is the practice. For the sake of practice, I'm drawing this. You can draw with your own choice. Okay, then we'll select this line. We'll do designing just for the beauty, for the wonderful picture. Any design you can draw. Like I'm drawing this design, you can draw your own design. Okay. Now what will I do? Select tool. With the help of select tool, I will copy this and paste it here. Got it? Okay. Okay. I tried this design. It doesn't look very nice, but it is okay for the sake of practice. Also, we can fill colors. We select this fill with color tool, and we can do colors in the drawing like this. So what is this? This is Kcell. What is this? This is Kcell. Okay. Now let me know in the chat box if you have any confusion, any query. I'm reading your text. Okay, students. Now your home task is you have to draw a castle of your choice with the design of your choice. This is your home task. This is your home task. You have to draw castle on your computer, on your laptop, wherever you want to draw. You have to practice this task at home. Got it? That's all for today. Thank you very much for joining this class.